So, you broke your garage door, or your garage door broke itself. Or maybe your 7-year-old backed the car out and took the entire garage with him. Whatever the case, there is an answer. Contact Ron at A&R Garage Door Company. After all, no one likes unpleasant surprises, like when your garage door decides you need the day off work, but your boss doesn't share the same sympathy. Licensed and insured, and with over 10 years experience, Ron will get your garage door up and in working order in no time. A&R Garage Door Company is family owned with family in mind. Ron runs a tight ship, and he knows that budget and quality can go hand in hand. 24-hour emergency service is available. If you're in Scottsdale and your garage door is giving you fits, Ron is your garage door guy. Call Ron from A&R Garage Door Company at 602-428-6111. That's 428-6111. Mention this ad for discounts.